Hello students, in today's lecture we will learn circular motion practice questions part 3. Clear? So in today's lecture we will solve practice questions from 23 to 33. Clear? Disclaimer: the images used in our slide deck are for educational purposes only. We respect the intellectual property rights of original creators and owners of these images. If you are the owner of any of the images used in this deck and have any concerns or issues, please contact us at sathi@iitkac.in and we shall remove the images. So, question 23 is: a heavy sphere of mass m is suspended by string of length L. The sphere is made to revolve about a vertical line passing through the point of suspension in a horizontal circle, such that the string always remains inclined to the vertical, making an angle theta. Clear? So, what is the period of revolution? Here, question asks about the period of revolution. The given options is this. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So, here mv square by r equal to t sin theta and mg equal to t cos theta. Clear? And dividing these two terms, we get tan theta equal to v square divided by rg. Clear? Which is equal to r omega square g equal to 4 pi square r divided by gt square. And sin theta upon cos theta equal to 4 pi square gt square L sin theta. Clear? So, equating this term where r equal to L sin theta. Equating this term, you will be get t equal to 2 pi under root L cos theta divided by g. Clear? So this is the time period. So correct answer is B option is correct. Clear? Next question 24. Two wires AC and BC are present here. This AC and BC of a small sphere of mass 5 kg, which revolves at constant speed v in the horizontal circle of radius 1.6 meter. The minimum value of v is what? So question asked about the minimum value of v. So given options is this: 0.01 meter per second, B option is 1.6 meter per second, C option is 0 and D option is 3.96 meter per second. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So this is the from figure: T1 cos 30 degree plus T2 cos 45 degree equal to mg, and T1 prime sin 30 degree plus T2 sin 45 degree equal to mv square by r. Clear? So T1 equal to mg minus mv square by r divided by under root 3 by 1 divided by root 2. So this is the T1. But here T1 is greater than equal to 0. Clear? And mg minus mv square by r divided by under root 3 minus 1 divided by 2 greater than equal to 0. Solving this term, you will be get v maximum equal to under root rg. Clear? V maximum equal to under root rg. And putting the all terms, you will be get 3.96 meter per second. Clear? Next question two small spherical balls are free to move on the inner surface of the rotating spherical chamber of radius r equal to 0.2 meter. If the balls reach a steady state at angular position theta equal to 45 degree, the angular speed omega of the device is what? So here question asks about the angular speed. The given options is A option is 8 radian per second, B option is 2 radian per second, C option is 3.64 radian per second, and D option is 9.34 radian per second. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 seconds, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So, given r equal to 0.2 meter. From the figure, r equal to 3r plus r sine 45 degree. Clear? In the same frame of rotating spherical chamber, n cos 45 degree equal to mr omega square. And equating this term, n sine 45 degree equal to mg, we will get tan 45 degree equal to g divided by r omega square. So omega equal to under root g by r. And putting all the terms in this formula, you will get 3.64 radian per second. This is the only technique to solve this question. Clear? So correct answer is 3.64 radian per second. So C option is correct. Clear? Next question. A skateboard negotiates the circular surface of radius 4.5 meter at theta equal to 45 degree. Its speed of center of mass is 0.6. Its speed of center of mass is 6 meter per second. The combined mass of skateboard and the person is 70 kg and his center of mass is 0.75 meter from the surface. The normal reaction between the surface and the skateboard wheel is what? The given options is this. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So, from the diagram, n minus mg cos theta equal to mv square by r and n equal to mv square by r mg cos theta. Clear? From the figure, theta equal to 45 degree and m equal to 70 kg and g equal to 9.8 meter per second square and v equal to 6 meter per second square and r equal to co, which is equal to 4.5 minus 0.75, and solving this term you will be get 3.75 meter. Putting these values in the above equation, we get n equal to this 1157 Newton. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. Next question. This is the JEE Main 2018 question. A particle is moving with a uniform speed in a circular orbit of radius r in a central force inversely proportional to the nth power of r. If the period of rotation of the particles is t, then which one is correct option? A, B, C, D. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second, we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So we know the force equal to mass into acceleration. Clear? Force equal to mass into acceleration, where which is equal to m omega square r, and given F is directly proportional to 1 by r is the power n, or we can say F is inversely proportional to r here is the power n. which is equal to F equal to K upon R raised to the power n. So we have this term, and solving this term you will be get T is directly proportional to R raised to the power n plus 1 divided by 2. Clear? So correct answer is C. C is correct answer. So this is the only technique to solve this question. C is correct option. Next question. A bob of mass m is suspended by a massless string of length L. The horizontal velocity v at position A is just sufficient to make it reach the point B. The angle theta at which the speed of the bob is half of that at A satisfy this. So which option is correct? Option A is theta is equal to pi by 4. Option B, pi by 4 is less than theta and less than pi by 2. Option C, pi by 2 is less than theta and theta is less than 3 pi by 4. Option D, 3 pi by 4 less than theta and less than pi. So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So velocity of the bob at point A, this is point A. Here the velocity of the bob is v equal to under root 5gl. Let this is equation first. From conservation of energy, total energy is kinetic energy plus potential energy is equal to constant. Clear? Total energy is equal to kinetic energy plus potential energy equal to constant. And v by 2 whole square equal to v square minus 2gh. Let this is equation second. And h equal to L 1 minus cos theta. Let this is equation 3. Solving equation first, second and third, we get cos theta equal to minus 7 divided by 8 and theta equal to cos inverse minus 7 by 8 here. Clear? Which is equal to 151 degree. So theta is less than 3, greater than 3 pi by 4 and less than pi. Clear? So this is the correct answer. D option is correct. Clear? D option is correct. Next question. A roller coaster is designed such that riders experience weightlessness as they go around to the top of a hill whose radius of curvature is 20 meters. The speed of the car at the top of the hill station between is what? Option A 14 meters per second and 15 meters per second. Option B 15 meters per second and 16 meters per second. Option C 16 meters per second and 17 meters per second. Option D 13 meters per second and 14 meters per second. Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide a solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So balancing the force, we get mg minus n equal to mv square by r. This is equation comes from by balancing the force. Clear? And mg minus n is equal to mv square by r. For weightlessness n equal to 0, we know that this mv square by r equal to mg. For any, if n equal to 0, then mv square by r equal to mg. Clear? So mm cancel out, v equal to under root rg. Clear? V equal to under root rg. Putting the values r equal to 20 meter and g equal to 10 meter per second square. This is the given. R equal to 20 meter, which is radius. Clear? And g is 10 meter per second square. So in that case, v equal to under root 20 into 10, which is equal to 14.14 meter per second. Clear? Thus, the speed of the car at the top of hill between 14 meter per second and 15 meter per second. Clear? 14 meter per second and 15 meter per second. So correct answer is 14 meter per second and 15 meter per second. A option is correct. Clear? Next question. Question 30. Two particles revolve concentrically in a horizontal plane in a same direction. The time required to complete one revolution for particle A is 3 minutes, and while for particle B is 1 minute. The time required for A complete one revolution relative to B is what? So given options is A 2 minute, option B 1.5 minute, option C 1 minute, and option D 1.25 minute. Clear? Which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide a solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So here omega 1 minus omega 2 multiply by t is equal to 2 pi. Clear? Or t equal to 2 pi divided by omega minus omega 2. Clear? So omega 1 equal to 2 pi upon t1 and omega 2 equal to 2 pi upon t2. Clear? So t equal to this. T equal to this. Or t equal to t1 t2 divided by t2 minus t1. Clear? And putting all these terms in this formula, you will be get 3 into 1, 3 minus 1, and solving this you will be get t equal to 1.5 minute. Clear? So B option is correct. B option is correct. 1.5 minute. Clear? Next question. A skier plans to ski on smooth fixed hemisphere of radius r. He starts from rest from a curved smooth surface of height h r by 4. The angle theta at which he leaves the hemisphere. Clear? So which option is correct? Option A is cos inverse 2 by 3. Option B cos inverse 5 divided by root 3. And option C cos inverse 5 by 6. And option D cos inverse 5 divided by root 3. 2 root 3. Clear? So which one is correct? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So at the time of leaving contact, normal reaction must be 0. Clear? So n equal to 0. If n equal to 0, mg cos theta equal to mv square by r, which is equal to m2gh by r. Cos theta equal to 2h by r. Clear? And solving this term, it will be cos theta equal to 2 by r by 4 plus r 1 minus cos theta. Clear? So 3 cos theta equal to 5 by 2. 3 cos theta equal to 5 by 2. Cos theta equal to 5 by 6. Theta equal to cos inverse 5 by 6. Hence C is the correct option. C is the correct option. Clear? C option is correct. This is the correct. Next question. This. A point moves along a circle with speed v equal to kt, where k equal to 0.5 meter per second square. Then the total acceleration of the point at the moment when it has covered the nth fraction of the circle after the beginning of motion, where n equal to 1 by 10. So which option is correct? Option A is 0.8 meter per second square. Option B is 1.2 meter per second square. Option C 1.6 meter per second square. And option D 2.0 meter per second square. Which one is correct? Clear? You have a 10 second to solve this question. After 10 second we will provide solution. Clear? Let's find a solution. So V equal to ds upon dt, which is equal to kt. This is the given in the question. And integrating this, ds equal to k, integration 0 to t dt, s equal to half kt square. Clear? Let this is equation first. After completion of nth fraction of circle, s equal to 2 pi rn, this is equation second. From equation first and second, we get t square equal to 4 pi rm divided by k. Clear? Now tangential acceleration at equal to k and normal acceleration an equal to v square equal to k square t square. And solving this term, you will be get a equal to under root k square plus 16 pi square n square k square. Clear? And after calculating a equal to 0.8 meter per second square. Clear? So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. So this is the only technique to solve this question. Next question. A circular tube of mass m is placed vertically on horizontal surface as shown in this figure. This two small spheres, each of mass m, just fit in the tube, are released from the top. If theta gives the angle between the radius vector of either ball with the vertical, then for what value of the ratio m/m tube breaks its contact with ground when theta equal to 60 degree. Clear? Neglect any friction. Which one is correct? Option A 1/2, option B 2/3, option C √3/2, option D none of these. Which one is correct? You have a 10 seconds to solve this question. After 10 seconds we will provide solution. Let's find a solution. So speed of the each particle at angle theta is v equal to under root 2 gh. After applying conservation of energy, where h equal to r 1 minus cos theta. Clear? V equal to under root 2 gr 1 minus cos theta. If n is the normal reaction, then n plus mg cos theta equal to mv square by r, or n plus mg cos theta equal to myr into 2 gr 1 minus cos theta. And solving this term, n equal to 2m minus 3mg cos theta. Clear? The tube will break its contact with the ground when 2n cos theta is greater than mg, where we put the n from equation first above relation, then we get 4mg cos theta minus 6mg cos square theta equal to mg. Putting theta equal to 60 degree, which is given, and solving this term, you will be get m/m equal to 1/2. Clear? This is the answer. So correct answer is A. A is correct answer. 1/2. Clear? So major important formulas we learned in today's lecture is during solving the question is period of revolution t equal to 2 pi under root L cos theta divided by g, minimum speed of sphere, angular speed of device, clear, angular speed of the device, normal reaction on skateboard, period of rotation with inverse force, and angle of half speed of a bob, speed of for weightlessness, and relative revolution time, angle for sky living hemisphere cos theta equal to 2h by r, and total acceleration of the point. Clear? So these concepts questions we learned in today's lecture. Clear? Thank you.